Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a new creative CV layout pack we think you'll enjoy. Let's go ahead and check it out. This creative CV layout pack provides professional web design for creatives looking for an effective online canvas to promote their creative talents. You can use it to highlight a resume of skills, work experience, education, and much more. It even has pre-made layouts for showcasing entire portfolios and projects with a reputable, well-balanced design that is both alluring and easy to read. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new creative CV layout pack on your own website. Okay, so before you can start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi builder to your website, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can easily do by going to Divi, Theme Options. There you can click the Updates tab and enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts, including this creative CV layout pack from within the Divi builder. To get started, we're going to create all of our pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. Let's go ahead and create our first page. We're going to Pages, Add New. And we'll create our home page first, so let's give it a title and then click to use the Divi builder. We can select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout, and this will bring up our Load from Library pop-up. There you can scroll and find the Creative CV Layout Pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and find the one that you want. We want the home page, so we'll select that one, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout's been loaded to the page, feel free to make any edits as needed. And don't forget to save or publish your page. And you want to continue the same process to create all of the remaining pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. And after all of your pages have been created with those pre-made layouts added to each one, you're ready to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that we've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to the menu. You can organize the menu items however you like using the menu structure area. And then don't forget to select primary menu for your display location and then click Save Menu. After our menu has been created, we're ready for the final step, which is to add a static home page to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading, and then under your home page displays, select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page with that home page pre-made layout, and then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new Creative CV Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack, and don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.